So yes, I'm getting that installed today, underneath the Z, which is all in pieces. So underneath the Z, and I'm going to have a shot at installing this. Now this is a pretty durable thing, TechnoVersions I think it is. So pretty durable, pretty solid, and I think the thing to note is that this little notch here is a little cut out for the fuel lines that, if you see, run underneath there on the right hand side. So there is a problem though, that when I go to do it, there is interference. Okay, so I'm trying to get in there and it's a little tight. But when the slot comes up, you can see on the right hand side there's that bracket. Fuel lines run through it and it impinges on that. So I'm going to see whether I can push that back a little bit and see whether that gives us the clearance we need. There's a slightly better angle. So this, I've soaked this in WD-40 yesterday and it's actually come away just fine. And it looks as though I can wiggle that back a little bit. I'll use two hands here in a minute and see if I can't get that to push back. And as it pushes back, it's going to rise up a little bit. And I think that might give me all the clearance that I need. So that wasn't too difficult. So I did release it back there. So the WD-40 overnight released it. So I pushed that back by what, 2 inches, and I think that's okay. So it should slide up there. So let's give it a whirl. Well, of course this is not easy now. So the issue that I've got is that the holes, I plugged it on one side, but my holes are about, I don't know what, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch off. So I can't push it up there. I think this car was going to crash at some point, so it's a little bit skewed. So I've got the jack underneath it. And I'm also worried up high there about how that nut is going to hit with the parking brake. At least I can see up there that it's clearing the fuel lines, which we want. So I'm going to jack it up and push it into place. So I'm getting there. It was tilted, so I've got it on an angle now, and I can't quite see whether I'm in. It looks like I'm a little off. Okay, so it's in. I'm still very worried about that top bolt. If I wiggle that around, it's way too high. So I've got to maybe... Okay. Now I'm going to tighten that down and see what happens. But I think it's in. Yeah, so there's the... So I can't tell from this angle whether that is going to mess with it or not. But that is the full... I guess I could put a washer underneath it, reduce that, but I think that is going to mess with it. So I release the handbrake, so that brings the thing forward, and it actually doesn't quite mess it. I'm still going to shave it down because it's so close. They should have just made this just a fraction shorter. So I'm going to shave the bolt, find a smaller bolt. Then I think we should be good.